Makitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi kuro dwaro mondo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto riembe tich jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale kowacho ni Duale oseduo migao no gi Koko kod achaya kane oloso oko mar od bura tok ywaruok mapek muoch kind komiti mar thieth kod jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale. Kibagendi oseyo Duale kuom bedo norakore kendo ochayo tije mag jotelo mamoko kolero ni Duale e wuon kembe matayo SHA kod moko kuom ute thieth. Simpros Okinda nigi ler mar wachni.
Romo manonego bedi mar chiwo lipot kaka chenro mag thieth dhi nyime e bwo okumba mar thieth SHA noduogo lokore lwenye kind jod bura kod jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale.
You have been out of order. You have closed to border.
We will not have a hospital. I have no hospital. We have anywhere.
We will charge you the
strategy you used to try.
We will charge you.
You need to answer question. Charge me.
I will answer.
Charge me.
You cannot.
We are not your children.
Let me take this.
No, we will not allow.
Eniwaruok kamano medo tedore e kinde ma Duale noseyo jaod bura no mowacho ni e wang nikech moko kuom ute thieth mage nolor kuom mibadhi mar SHA.
You can charge me. You can charge. I don't own a hospital. You are the people stealing from SHA. You and your friends.
Bring your
just because we're asking you questions.
We'll ask Honorable Kibagendi to actually stop.
We will not allow you to intimidate with your nonsense.
We are close to your point, and we'll close more.
Nen mach mager mano chuo mako nyaka jakom mar komiti no James Nyikal mane temo kweyogi.
This is nonsense. You can't allow a hostile witness to come here.
The chair, I'm chairing this, and I ask you.
You are not chairing. He's the one who is chairing.
No.
He's telling you what to do.
No.
It is true. You are intimidated by this man.
No.
Just because he's a president, Kenyans needs to know Duale is messing up health.
We are going to. We have closed.
Where is the vice chair? Is it in your place? Where the vice chair?
Out of order.
We will not allow you.
You are bitter, but we will close your hospitals.
I don't own a hospital.
You are bitter.
That is the strategy we are trying to use.
We will
to silence us.
Ywaruok makamano no muoch tok jaod bura makitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi seyo Duale wichayo komiti no mar od bura.
He insinuated that a majority of members in that committee do not understand standing orders because they are members of parliament who've just been elected for the first time. Secondly, he was intimidating our chairman, and to the extent the vice chairman confronted him and he dismissed him and belittled him, which made the vice chair leave that particular meeting.
Kibagendi koro dwaro mondo Ruto riembie tich Aden Duale mowacho ni oseketho migao mar thieth kuom bedo gi ute thieth e bwo okumba mar SHA.
For his Medina Hospital in Garissa, Medina Pharmaceuticals that supplies to KEMSA, he is the owner of the company called Convergence. Convergence is the company that is running SHA, and I'm ready to testify this anywhere. He changed the CR12 of Convergence in December of 2024. So we know that Honorable Duale is involved in the theft of SHA funds. Honorable Duale is involved in frustrating hospitals. Honorable Duale is ensuring that the benefits that a majority of Kenyans are supposed to get are strained so that what the funds that Kenyans pay to SHA go to the pockets of Duale and his friends.
Burano mano nego chiw duoko ne thoth jo Kenya machuny gi dang ne thieth e bwo SHA nolokore lweny mar ng'ama tek e kind jotelo. Ka jotuo to pod odong' gi rem mar koso yudo thieth madwarore. Simpros Okinda, Ramogi TV.